So I'm going to talk about case study of Orbitz worldwide charts taken from chapter 3, how to build a e-commerce presence. First of all, let me mention two main key concepts of building an e-commerce presence. First of all, it's visioning a e-commerce presence. What is the vision and how to accomplish it? That is the first question we have to ask when we look brainstorming an idea for an e-commerce website. And second, the following questions we have to look through is what is the business and the revenue model? Who and where is the target customers? And what are the characteristics of the marketplace? What is the content coming from? And you have to conduct a SWOT analysis. And finally, it's to develop an e-commerce presence map, a timeline, and a detailed budget. The second concept is the process of building of an e-commerce presence. It follows system development life cycle. The first step of system development life cycle is to identify the specific business objectives for the website, then develop a list of system functionalities and information requirements for so. The second step is to develop a system design set specification. The third step is build the site, either by in-house personnel or by outsourcing. And the fourth is to test the system. Final step is to implement and maintain the site. And now solving the case study, the first question when we come to this part is that when compared to traditional desktop customers, why are mobile phone users much more likely to book a room or airline reservation for the same day? Well, the reason is mobile users, especially business travelers, often have no desktop or rarely use it because they're traveling. So on the road, their travel plans change frequently and require the ability to change flights and reservations on the same days that they are traveling. The second question is about in the mobile design project of 2011, why did Orbitz management decide to construct a mobile website for corporate users rather than a native app? Well, managers wanted a single mobile website rather than a several mobile native apps for different mobile phones. This thing could be used by any mobile browsers regardless of operating system or manufacturer. I think the reason behind it is because business managers mostly are busy customers. They tend to have less time to book their airline or hotel reservation. So therefore, they have to utilize their time by grabbing any devices they have on hand to do that work. For example, a laptop or computer or a handheld device like tablets, iPhones, smartphones, and actually, in fact, the work of booking airline or hotel, it's quite a minor thing for business managers. They did so spontaneously. So the Orbitz company must make sure that whatever device they have, they must be able to access to the website and book their schedule. The third question is, why has Orbitz decided to go with native apps for each web mobile phone instead of a single mobile website as it did with the Orbitz for Business mobile site? But native apps are much more faster than traditional HTML code and probably faster than HTML5, which requires a rendering engine to construct mobile web pages. The native app can perform all the functions of the HTML5 or a desktop version of the reservation system, but they execute much more faster. The last question is about what issues does syncing recent user searches across device pose? Well, I think the main threat is that privacy is one of the primary issues posed by Orbit's ability to sync recent user searches across devices. And that's it's all of our case study. So thank you for listening.